The Edinburgh International Book Festival is a charity that celebrates writing and ideas from authors around the world. We're a place to revel in fantastic stories, discover new perspectives, have conversations that really stimulate your mind, and enjoy a roaring good time. You probably already know that we present hundreds of events for adults, young adults, and kids every August. But you might not know that while you're here, our communities team are taking a whole host of authors to hospitals, schools, prisons, libraries and community centres for workshops and storytelling sessions to spread the incredible power of words. There's lots that happens off stage in summer as well as the rest of the year. Our supporters help us achieve all of this and more. Thank you for joining us